Which of the following is false about the MANET IoT network? Option A. It is a self-configuring network. Option B. It has a low data rate. Option C. It doesn't have any encryption. Option D. Power is readily available for complex security. The correct answer is option D. Power is readily available for complex security. Which of the following is not a sensor in IoT? Option A. BMP280. Option B. DHT11. Option C. Photoresistor. Option D. LED. The correct answer is option D. LED. Which of the following is not an actuator in IoT? Option A. Stepper motor. Option B. A fan. Option C. An LED. Option D. Arduino. The correct answer is option D. Arduino. What is the use of PWM signals in IoT development boards? Option A. They are used by sensors to have analog input. Option B. They are used by sensors to have digital input. Option C. They are used by actuators to have analog input. Option D. They are used by actuators to have digital input. The correct answer is option C. They are used by actuators to have analog input. Which of the following is used to reprogram a bootloader in IoT devices? Option A. VHDL programming. Option B. IDE. Option C. ICSP. Option D. MANET. The correct answer is option C. ICSP. Which of the following is true about Arduino IoT devices? Option A. They are open source software. Option B. They can only read analog inputs. Option C. They have their own operating systems. Option D. They don't have pre-programmed firmware. The correct answer is option A. They are open source software. How many number of elements in the open IoT architecture? Option A. 3 elements. Option B. 7 elements. Option C. 8 elements. Option D. 6 elements. The correct answer is option B. 7 elements. IoTA stands for Option A. Internet of Things Area. Option B. Industrial of Things Architecture. Option C. Internet of Things Address. Option D. Internet of Things Architecture. The correct answer is option D. Internet of Things Architecture. Which of the following is not a feature of the Raspberry Pi Model B IoT device? Option A. It has 256 megabytes SDRAM. Option B. It has a single USB connector. Option C. It has its own operating system. Option D. It has an Ethernet port. The correct answer is option A. It has 256 megabytes SDRAM.